In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock or unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop. Locking layers is one of the simplest but most important skills in Photoshop because it prevents accidental edits, unwanted movements, and frustrating mistakes. And of course, I'll also show you how to unlock layers so you can continue editing whenever you're ready. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Layers panel. If you don't see it on your screen, go to the top menu, click on Window, and then select Layers. You can also press F7 on your keyboard, which is the quickest shortcut and works perfectly on Windows setups. The Layers panel is where all your design elements live, including images, text, shapes, and adjustment layers. Understanding how to control locking here is essential for working efficiently. Now, let's talk about how to lock a layer. Locking a layer prevents you from making changes to it. This is especially useful when you've finished working on a specific element and don't want to accidentally move it or edit it while working on something else. To lock an entire layer, first select the layer you want to protect inside the Layers panel. Just click on it once so it becomes highlighted. At the top of the Layers panel, you'll see a row of lock options. The simplest method is clicking the padlock icon. As soon as you click it, you'll see a small lock symbol appear on the right side of that layer. When a layer is fully locked, you won't be able to move it on the canvas, you won't be able to edit the pixels using brushes or erasers, you can't apply effects or filters, and you also won't be able to transform it using tools like Free Transform. Essentially, that layer becomes protected from any changes until you unlock it. Now, let's quickly talk about unlocking a layer, because this is just as important. If you want to make edits again, simply go back to the Layers panel and click the padlock icon on that locked layer. The lock symbol will disappear, and the layer will instantly become editable again. You can now move it, transform it, apply effects, and edit pixels without restrictions. There's another situation you might run into, especially when opening images. Sometimes when you open a photo in Photoshop, it appears as a background layer with a lock icon already applied. This type of lock is slightly different. To unlock a background layer, just double-click on the layer name. A small dialog box will appear asking you to rename the layer. Click OK, and Photoshop will automatically convert it into a regular layer that you can fully edit. Using layer locks properly can dramatically improve your workflow. For example, when designing posters, thumbnails, or social media graphics, you might lock your background image so you don't accidentally drag it while editing text, or you might lock finished design elements while continuing to work on new ones. It keeps your workspace organized and prevents small mistakes that can slow you down. So to quickly recap, open the Layers panel using Window and then Layers, or press F7. Select the layer you want to protect, click the padlock icon to lock it, and click it again to unlock it. And if you're dealing with a locked background layer, just double-click it to convert it into a normal editable layer. That's it. You now know exactly how to lock or unlock layers in Adobe Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Photoshop guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.